You thought I was feeling you? It feels so good to have a Shein bag or a Shein package moving around in the house. Problem me not the finish, oh. I'm addicted. Hi Susie gang, what's up? What's popping? How you guys doing? Welcome back to my channel. So if this is your first time stopping by, hello baby boy, hello baby girl. My name is Susan Adike and I am a Nigerian food and lifestyle blogger currently based in Dubai, UAE. I'm sure you guys can tell from my face, you can tell from my smile that I'm in a good mood today because I just got my first ever package from Shein. I don't know what to call it, but yeah, it feels good to finally be purchasing from an international brand. I know, I mean, it's Chinese brand, but you know, like things that this is a brand that most YouTubers or most influencers already purchased from, and I've been slacking because I couldn't afford it. But this was on sales, okay? I got all these on sales. The Black Friday, I got all this for the Black Friday. So it just arrived yesterday, and thanks to Patricia put me through this because really honestly I was never gonna buy anything from Shein. But you know, yeah, let's just unbox the I feel so excited already. So yeah, we're just gonna unbox it right now to see what I got. Mind you, I don't think I got any outfits. I don't think I did. I just got accessories. They were just $1, $2. I think the highest was $3. So the first on the list is this socks. This came as a gift because I got more than 100 dirhams, more than 189 dirhams. So this is a gift from Shein. I'm sure you can see their name here. You can see this is a phone pouch. Yeah. So cute. And I got this because it has S, which obviously means Susan. So I got this pretty one. I think I'm supposed to be opening this, right? Sorry, this is like really weird because I'm not okay. So this is what it's looking like. So you see, this is the color. It has 2 shades of purple. Yeah, so cute. I got this, yeah, because I have two gown that was given to me as my birthday gift. It's an open back and I have a very small titty and I would want to wear bra in it, obviously, because sometimes my nipple be doing the most, okay? So yeah, this is what it looks like. This is gonna glue to my boobs, and I got this too. I'm going to be dropping the link to the things I got in the description box. That's if they are not sold out yet. So I'm going to be dropping them in the description box. I got a shade. I think I got 3 shades actually because they were so cute. And look at this is real leather. So cute. Ooh, baby. Baby. Sorry, you were saying something. This is so nice, you guys. It's in green. I don't know if you can see. This is in green. It comes in green, but so cute. Prepare to be sick of me, baby. Got more pouch or more pouches, whatever. I got more phone pouch. I got this one. Okay, this one comes with an AirPod bag or AirPod pouch. So this, I mean, look at it, it matches, not really, but it matches this kimono. And I got these three. I think they come for 9 dirham. I'm not so sure. I'm gonna drop everything in the description box below. These three, I got these three. I don't even have a blue outfit, but I just want to rock it. I just love the color and I love the way the back is looking. Plus it's really thick, guys. It is really thick, surprisingly. And more shades. No shades, more shades. Sorry. Funny thing is, I'm loving the way they package the thing, because when you buy expensive shades, they don't come in pouch. But look at these, baby. Look at this. Ooh. This comes in leopard skin, or is it tiger skin? I don't know. I think I saw this on somebody's, I think it's Kamsin Namani. I saw this on, I'm going to put a screenshot here. I'm sure I did. I'm sure she's the one. This, so I had to get myself one, because why not? And another phone pouch. I'm sorry, it was just too cheap, okay? So it was too cheap to not get one. And this, stop playing. I mean, it has a mirror. I don't know if you guys can see. It has a mirror. This is going to be nice for days when I'm quite unfortunate. I don't go out, so I don't know. Yeah, whatever. But what I was trying to say is, it's going to be nice for days where you're on makeup and you just need something to check your face instead of going to the restroom. Yeah. So here I have something else. I don't know what exactly this is. Oh, it's an handbag. I really don't know how to feel about this, but it's so light. And it comes with a chain. I don't know. Oh, I'm supposed to put the chain like this, maybe. Yeah, but yeah, it's so light. Here. This is going to be part of the giveaway. The things I got are quite a lot. I don't know, but it looks little. Maybe because they are really tiny. I got this, which I don't know what this is. I really cannot remember buying this, but yeah. It says Shein. This is a towel or a face towel. I don't know, but yeah. Another shade. So that makes it three already. I think so. This is one. So now we have 3 shades. I think this is the purple one. If I'm not mistaken. Yeah, right. See? Okay, what is this? You thought I was feeling you? You know, the funny thing is, I buy some things and I began to imagine, Susan, where are you wearing this to? Okay, I think I know where to wear it to. So it's gonna match with this bag here. You can see I'm not crazy at the end of the day, like. So I got this pouch for my AirPod. I use AirPod Pro, so I got this. It's really cute, and obviously purple. And then this was what Patricia posted, I think. And I got some chains, and it comes with a ring also. This, and these are earrings actually, and this is like the chain. I don't know if I'm ever going to wear this, but let's just see. Another this is a bracelet, a chain, and I don't know what exactly, but yeah, I got this silver one too. You guys see that I'm really not crazy, because for me to get the purple shade, I obviously have plans for other things. So this is a ring. This is a ring, not just, sorry, these are rings, okay? These are rings. This is like, I think there's like 10 pieces or 12, if I'm not mistaken. Oh yeah, this is purple. So imagine me wearing this, then my purple bag and my shade, and I might just wear like a purple shirt, and I have a purple Crocs. You get me? And now we have a purple earrings. Don't play with me. Look at this. These are cute. I don't know what anybody has to say, but this is cute. So I got this nail, press-on nails. These are press-on nails. Lately, I'm falling in love with like green, like army shade of green. So yeah, I got this one. This is like $1, I think. And I got this because of the earrings and everything. I had to just get something to put them in. Sorry about the reflection. I had to get something so I could just put them in. So yeah, I think this is also for like $2. I got this twice. Wow. I got this twice. You guys, it's a ring that says S. I don't know if you can see. Yeah, S. And I don't know why they did not even sell it together. They had to sell it separately. But this is the chain and the, I think the chain and the bracelets. Yeah, the chain and the bracelets. I don't know why they did not sell it together, so I had to buy them separately. It says S, and this one says S also. And I got this pimple popper because of my pimples that used to come out before. Now my skin is looking pretty or whatever. So this is the last one. This one is a makeup bag, but I don't need it for makeup. I need it for my nail arts. So here, it's not really that big as I thought, but it can go somewhere. It can do something, I think. But I love the fact that it's net and it's so thick. It's actually pretty. So there we have it, guys. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe below if you have not already, and share this video to your friends, your family, even your enemies. I don't mind. It feels so good to have a Shein bag or a Shein package moving around in the house. Now I feel like an influencer, which I am not, but whatever. Let me know which of these things that I just showed you is your favorite. Which one do you like the most? Which one do you think is just which one do you think is yeah? Let me know in the comment section below. Anyways, guys, I'm gonna see you guys in my next video. Always remember to love what you do what you love, be yourself, love yourself, and believe in yourself. I remain your favorite baby girl, Susan Adike, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye, guys.